todos. Gracias. Your rabbit looking for a rat, and knows what they say. Looking for trouble if you ask me. Won't be a wild thing for a rat to leave him home. I said, use him for trouble.
Oh, got a little wet. See some empty boats. Oh, I might get wet here actually. That would suck. Oh no. Oh, I knew it. So yeah, remember, this is not the real drop yet. The real drop comes in that dark room. You can still get wet here, like when the water tips in. This is my second favorite scene. I like listening to these high-pitched voices sing. I'll point out my favorite scene later on, but I've already pointed it out in another video. Here comes another fake draw. I want to go up there.
Is fine. With all of our time. And we wiggle our toes. That's what you ask us. That's what we know. Pretty good show us your ball. Pretty good show us your ball. How do you do? Fine, how are you?
Yeah, there they are. Fox and the bear. And there's the rabbit.
Look yonder, there goes Brer Rabbit. Look yonder, there goes Brer Rabbit.
I could turn my flash on, and no one's on my boat. Nah, but the people behind me, never mind.
Hey y'all, hold this flag. I want to sing this here rap and play some of Brer Rabbit's talking about.
Alright, this is also not the real drop yet. You'll see when the real drop comes, because you'll see the lights on the track going up. You can still get wet here though. This is where it gets really trippy. Here's another fake drop. Oh. Oh, I missed it. There's a guy up there. Alright, here comes the drop.
I don't expect you to be doing much laughing.
No, Red Fox, let me go.
So you see the vultures up there? This is when you know the drop's coming.
Maybe this one is yours. And wait till you see that old rare rat.
Don't go into the light.
Please don't bring me in that dry patch.
You don't worry about it.
Here it comes. Oh. I got a little wet, just on my face though. You can also get wet here too. Not much wet. And here goes another drop. Now all these little drops, the water can still pour over, but it's not a really wet drop. But it can still come over the side of the boat. But I don't think my boat's heavy enough. Love this scene. This is my third favorite part. And here comes my favorite part of all time, guys. There it is. It's like, seriously.
I'm here to stay. I'm through with moving on now. It's where I'm born and bred.
Here is the end of the ride. Looks like we got a log dam here. So this is the end of the ride, and it's also when you start the ride. The only reason why I was talking is because there's nobody on my boat. So, there you go, I got a full video of the ride. You get your pictures. I scanned. I love the banjo music. Here's the merchandise store and the lack of Splash Mountain merchandise. Even in the bathroom, they play the Splash Mountain music.